Good afternoon. So this is the continuation of the episode where Michael had told me that there is no heaven, and I think based on the assessment is it's two visions, meaning two heaven, meaning to say when he was looking up when he was with all the God, that's what the overall conclusions that there is no heaven, and then for me heaven is like there's a secret of that all the gods meaning sometimes I will be talking about you all about it. And now this time I will be taking, since I started about the sun, talking about the sun spirits. So on the sun, I when I encountered with him, he showed me all the dinosaurs and all the animals, ancient animals, first animals that has been around in on earth. So he's been recorded with that. And then so it's what's really amazing when I looked at in the silhouette of my windows, and when he was really like the way, the way they're talking to me, guys, it's like a telepathic, like for example, like this one, I'm talking to you or talking on the phone. I will just hear that, oh, do look up at the window, something like that. They will usually, based on my experience back then, was that especially when I was talking to sun, it's like someone is telling me, like I heard about that. It's not even schizophrenia. I don't know if it says schizophrenia. I'm so proud with, if I've had a says schizophrenia, all I could say is I am so thankful with it. But I'm so normal, I'm so like this. So last year, so when the sun was talking to me, the spirit was talking to me, it's like this, I'm sitting down, something like that, and I can hear that, look up, look at the window, something like that. So when I look at the window, that's, well, that's say I just, wow, it's just, it's like a movie in front of my eyes, that the silhouette, the struck when the sun rays are struck in my eyes. It's all about animals in dinosaurs whatsoever, rhinoceros, in all kinds of oldest types of animals. So and then I think I when I encountered through online on Facebook some sites about some countries or nations on earth that they are really taking good care of animals. I really appreciate it, until sending the message, meaning, keep doing that, and meaning, we're going back to the new, we're going to bring the whole earth to the oldest times, oldest eras, where we can see the ancient animals and the attitude also of the people. I think we're going to the new earth, a new heaven, where all these people back then, just like me, when someone is talking to me, I just listen. Like if Mary was telling, meaning, in the story that Mary was telling about that, there was Saint Gabriel outside the windows, and he is telling her to conceive. So something like that. I think that's the real attitude of the people back then, meaning knew how to listen sounds and voices, that it's not expected, because usually we hear voices, someone telling us, or meaning, your husband or children will talk to us like that. But when they're spirits, they will just, in this part you can hear voices. But in my case, it's not mental sickness. I don't have a mental sickness. I was just fully holy spirited person last year, and even nowadays. But it's really normal. I get the most peaceful brain now. Anyway, since we are also, I wanted go back to, I want to oppose the situations of, like, the teachings of the religions. We are more on Christ, Jesus Christ, whatsoever. And then we already know that, meaning, humbly speaking, meaning, uh, Mike was Christ, so it's kind of ew, something like that. It's like, so but I'm so proud about that, although the situations is wasn't. Now I will be taking Deuteronomy 4:19, and when you look up, this is what I'm talking about. That's why it's so against, Old Testament is so against with Jesus teachings. So Deuteronomy 4:19, and when you look up to the sky and see the sun, the moon, and the stars, all the heavenly array, do not be enticed into bowing down to them and worshiping things the Lord your God has apportioned to all the nations under heaven. So meaning to say, we are not allowed to worship these kind of things, the sun, the moon, and the stars. Okay, so but I want to violate that, because we come to the point that there are so many atheists on earth. Meaning to say, there are so many people on earth nowadays that they don't believe in God anymore. Because I think what they are expecting, again, meaning, I'm speaking about, like with the expecting as God is, meaning to say, that person, like me, if I'm claimant as God, I will be flying, I will be making miracle miracle, magic, that when I say, give me money, I'll just blow my mouth and then the money will be on top of my hands, something like that. So generally it's all about money. So that's why I'm switching the whole situations in such a way that, although, meaning, to be honest with you folks, I was given also the authority and the rights to switch the Bible into T, from T to L. So something like that. So but I that's why I'm meaning, when they talk to me about this, I was really totally against, because I don't like to do that, because I remember this teaching, that meaning, the Lord God is not allowing us to worship at them. But this time I'm meaning promoting for that, to be back on pagans, because the sun, the sun is giving the whole earth the main source, aside from lights, they are giving so much energy and power and money to all satellites whatsoever, so big companies, while the moon as well, and also especially the stars. So I have the secret of the stars. Now we will go back to we will talk about the moon. So this time we're talking about the moon. So based on the experience of the moon, I have here the spirits of the moon. Asa na to? I'm really writing it down, because I really wanted to be guided, and spirit of the moon. So as I said, once, Luchi, if I will come down now, your peninsula will be separated from the mainland. That's what the basically the meaning, the telepathic words from spirit of the moon. And then he showed me image of pregnant woman, and which is I know that he really loves me. My old Saint Michael the Brooks really loves me. So and I hide him, instead of meaning, when I got the so-called spiritual depressions, when they ask me where I'm gonna keep the spirits of Michael, I have two choices: the sun, either the sun or the moon. But the sun, we kind of arguments also with the sun spirits, because one also of the appreciations that I got from the sun is that he told me that when the sun rises, when he rises, I'm awake. When he down, meaning when the sun set off, I'm still awake. That's what's basically he was telling me. So really, he really feel bad about me. That's why he's giving me some. To be honest with you folks, I have also another encounter with the sun, and SUN ha. So I'm so proud. I'm so proud. The formula is E equals MC squared. So I make personified with that, and I think what's the formula? What's the energy that is given from E equals MC squared? So I don't know about that, but I give that. He give that to me. That's the who's the thing with that, the who's the scientist who created that formula. So there's a secret for that. So I don't know. I give that to the people that I trusted with, and I don't know. So next is spirit of the moon. So then as we all know that the moon is, that's why I hide Mike, because when I said, if it's I will hide him, the telepathic conversation, I think it was nighttime, if I will hide him in the sun, there was in my telepath my understanding as an idealist, that the sun is either the heart of God, or that's the entrance of going to hell or inferno. Then plus, as I can see it, meaning, if you are in the sun, if your spirit in the sun, you're always working non-stop. So that's why I said, meaning, I don't like him, Michael, to be working. And so I hide him at the moon, because I don't believe, to be honest with you folks, I don't believe that there's an Americans that they landed on the moon. Basically, I don't think so, that there are humans or Americans landed on the moon. Because for me, when I see it, it seems like they were just having shooting in a movie. Sorry, that's what I see it. Anyway, then spirit of the moon is high tide and low tide, and they are water controller, and they are the typhoons. So typhoons is controlled by the moon, spirit of the moon, and in I mean, I don't know, maybe ocean spirits as well. But for me, I'm not stopping typhoons, because it has a calamity funds. It's giving funds for Filipino people and all around the world, and the banks anyway. Then it's also a time for any fishes in the oceans, cold fishes in the oceans, to reproduce, and all the big, meaning, spirits in the oceans have the time to rest and enjoy themselves, instead of all non-stop fishing by all the fishermen. So I'm so thankful with the spirit of the moon. Anyway, so next is we're talking here spirit of the stars. So spirit of the stars, First and foremost, I came from the star. To be honest with you guys, that's why some people told call me like label me as soulless, because to be honest with you folks, I came from the stars. I think my spirit, as normal Lucifer Hill, you know what, our spirits get tired, our soul get tired. So that's why during nighttime there's always a process where that's a secret of God, that we are evolving. We have the time to sleep, and then when we sleep, that's the time that they inserted a soul and spirits for us to, when we woke up in the next morning, we feel good. But in my case, I got some mental sickness, that I'm not sleeping much. Usually they will say that it's a mental depression people, but in my case, I'm just very problematic with my deaths in the hospital, because I really don't know how to deal with it, because my formula and my strategies and my plans wasn't put together. So that's why my very biggest problem, that's why I'm meaning, I'm so inspired of sharing my experience, although I must be keeping it, because it's salvation is really a it's a tricky situations, but I'm so thankful with God, because Michael saved by grace or by intentional. So I've been working with his salvation for 36 years now. Spirit of the stars, this is stars for me is, you should be lucky. I get stars when I see something. If it's really strike on their standard, I can see stars. I even complained with one of my supervisor that, ma'am, and who is the best science teacher, because my eyes has a star. So I think it's more like in school, when you get a high grade or highest performance, we teachers, we stamp your paper, that's the paper of our students, as a star. So I got a star in my eyes, and I'm so thankful with that. I'm grateful. I'm not a demons. So I'm not a demons, folks. I'm not a demons. So spirit of the stars, this is so-called sex spirits. So then I got blue light stars, lightning stars, and morning star. And I got also a scientist star. So all of that, they are all my boyfriend. And part of my mental depression, not mental depression, it's, I think it's a part of the fog. We they are all my, boyfriends. They are my boyfriends. So they're my boyfriends. They really, do you know what, folks? All the stars can speak, and they are all my boyfriends. My boyfriends. I have so many boyfriends. So they have names and faces, but all of these four stars, it's only refers to one person, and I feel bad that about I didn't. Michael, I got. I think out of four stars, I got two men for this. My late partner and my ex-boyfriend. And now also for my relatives who died, I was asked also where are the stars. That's why I got five relatives that I placed them in the stars, so they have a space in the stars, and they are very top notch bloodlines of me, and they have some special skills on miracle healings, and supposedly I got all their skills and knowledge and practices, but God the Father took it out from me, plus my subconscious mind. I'm a lazy person, so I said, meaning, I'm just appreciating them, appreciated at them. Then my sister didn't like to accept it, so we were kind of, I don't know, God knows where to give it. I don't know. So it's a gift. It's a gift. So spirit of Lucifer. Yes. I was dropped. I got the spirit of Lucifer. They reminded to me. I didn't know about that. They just remind it just recently. They remind it 2021, and they remind me that I was dropped in the Philippines during the rapture around 1990. From the time that I was idolizing Lucifer compared to God because of the money situations, plus what else? What if, meaning, Lucifer is fighting against us? That's curiosity, right? So that's basically my content.